The board is also investigating alleged cases of bestiality in this region, coast region, where some unscrupulous business people are taking advantage of poor conditions among the youths to involve them in the recording of pornographic materials, and not just human pornography, bestiality. Watoto wasichana wa miaka chini wa umri wa chini ya miaka 16, 18 wanafanya mapenzi na mbwa in this country, in this region, during COVID. Now, if it's affecting people, I don't know also whether it's affecting animals, but some of these things are unimaginable. I think if there was anything that would be seen to be Sodom and Gomorrah happening anywhere in the world, it's taking place right now. How in the world and in God's name do people get to a point where they find it okay to watch children having young girls having sex with dogs here in the coast? And you guys of the media know. And they record and they send it abroad. And those crooks are kept by people in this country. They are allowed and given keys to this city and to Malindi and other areas of the coast to have dogs have sex with our girls, and they take those pornographic materials away for sale. Having a child getting impregnated while they are still young and in school, and some of them from these poor communities, how that exposes them to misery. Because life is hard, even for those of us who have jobs and are struggling to bring up our families. What happens to these poor communities in Kwale, in Kilifi, and other places, when they are now subjected by grown-ups and rich people who have the money and the power to engage in bestiality and in orgies? And these are adults who allow them. I'm telling you, everywhere these things are happening, there is an adult who allowed it into the houses, into these exclusive villas. There is an adult who was filming. There's an adult who was compromised. Even if they are gatemen or watchmen, there are adults who know what kind of a human being are you.